Welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss how to use ChatGPT for content writing. If you've ever struggled with writer's block or need assistance in generating creative ideas, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a virtual writing assistant at your fingertips. Step 1 is accessing ChatGPT. You can use platforms like the OpenAI website or compatible apps. Once you're in, it's time to input your content-related query or request. When asking ChatGPT for content ideas or assistance, it's essential to be clear and concise. Specify the topic, tone, and any other relevant details. For instance, you could say, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you help me brainstorm ideas for a blog post about travel tips?" Once you receive generated text, you can refine it further. ChatGPT might provide you with multiple suggestions. Pick the ones that align best with your content goals. Remember, ChatGPT's suggestions are a starting point. Feel free to add your personal touch, creativity, and expertise to the content. This ensures that the final piece reflects your unique voice. While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it might not always provide perfect results. If you encounter any challenges or if the generated text doesn't quite fit, don't get discouraged. You can rephrase your request or use a combination of suggestions to craft the ideal content. Using ChatGPT is fantastic, but it's important to maintain authenticity and give credit where it's due. If you're using suggestions directly, make sure to attribute them properly or rephrase them in your own words. And there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is a game changer for content creators, offering a valuable helping hand when you need it most. Whether you're struggling with the introduction of an article or need fresh ideas for your next video script, ChatGPT has got your back. Give it a try, experiment with different requests, and watch your content creation process become smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content-related tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy content creating!